Welcome to school too.
Hello. Obi Japan. Balie.com na China na-ekwu. Obi Kamochi aga. Hello, my sister. Hello, my dear. Mama, tomato juice.
Sorry, are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you because.
Please come closer.
That you come close.
Come close.
Nebianso, come close. Oh? You are talking to chifabalie.com na China.
Please, can I help you?
No, it is not you that will help me. It is me that will help you. Mbano. It is me that will help you. Huh?
Please continue. I'm hearing you. Please.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How Nibuya? A Chinese. How you be now? Never be you get it. You even if I not. In fact, if you were a goose, you will be contraband. My name is Abalie.com. Chief Doctor Ignatius Ekutos, HIV, PDP, APC, late Abalie.com. Put the chief. I am importer, exporter, Yamaha, Suzuki, Yamaha. We import everything for China, Japan, and the whole of Asia. Huh? Even the person that imported the coronavirus, it is me that imported the patient. Oh, my boy, to God, I get it. So as I saw you, you are looking very numerous. I say, I want to collect your number so that later you can give one-on-one. So put your number here.
How you doing? Is that the reason why you stopped me here?
What? Funka? You
want to take my number? What do you think you are? Who the hell are you?
Hey!
Do I look like your type? Do I look like your type? You called me just to take my number. I can't even buy you a car. Do you have money? Do you want money? You want me to give you money? I can buy you a house and a car. Look at the rotten place that you're staying.
Oh my God.
To take my number. Please, can I have your number? What nonsense. I live in Banana Island. Look at the rotten place that you stay and you want me to give you my number? Rubbish. Stinking thing.
Hey!
A few moments later.
Good afternoon, Auntie. How are you?
Fine.
What do you want? What do you want to buy?
Actually, I don't want to buy something. This signboard that I saw here. Sales girl wanted.
Oh, sales girl wanted. You are looking for a job?
Yes.
No problem. Are you sure you can sell very well? Because my organ likes someone that can sell very well.
I can sell very well.
You sure you can sell very well?
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
You think so they're wise?
No problem.
Hey!
Sit down. Feel relaxed, feel comfortable, eh? Let me go and come out with my boss.
All right.
Come in.
Who is that?
I don't know how. I don't know how.
Is it those pure water people that we are owing?
No, it's not pure water people. It's not pure water people.
Biscuit, or did they come?
No, it's not biscuit people. It's a very fine girl, looking girl. Like she's looking for a job.
She's looking for a job?
Yeah.
Hey, come and show me, come and show me. He's looking for a job.
Yes, she's looking for a job.
Jesus is Lord!
The girl that is looking for work, where is she?
This is the girl, guy.
You will end up in my
That is
corner!
looking for sales girl
Yes,
work.
this is the girl. Okay.
What?
Hey!
Sorry, oh, my God.
You are not my type. Oh? You are not the type I need in my shop. You are not my spec. You cannot work in my shop. You cannot.
I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry, Bogidia.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
Hey.
Okay, can I let me just move her?
Move on now. You are here. You are here. They are touching me. You are asking me, can you move on?
Sorry, sir. Oh, yeah,
Thank you for watching that funny episode. Keep watching School 2 comedy.
no be lie.
And once you click our video and you see advert, don't skip it. Leave it.
Let me play.
Let you play. You not go die. Watch advert. Watch our screen. And don't forget, every Friday, come back to this channel for more screen. Very video.
Fresh one,
Subscribe,
only
bro.
one.
If you subscribe, you'll be the first person to view it.